Rockford Fosgate T2 motor. These come in 13-inch and 16-inch. We have these adapter plates available as well. Sometimes they come in 3/8 like this one, or half-inch for $100 shipped, and it comes with the hardware. This one is the GONZO Junior Spider, which is a 2-layer with silicone in between, and then quad leads 1, 2, 3, 4 doubled up for just one 4-gauge spring terminal on the Phi 12-spoke frame, or I'm sorry, Phi 6-spoke 12-inch frame. GONZO cone, 150 millimeter carbon fiber cap, and then the Rockford motor, it's made with 3 big chunks, 1, 2, 3, and then there's 12 of them total, but it gives good venting out the side, so we don't have to do anything extra. Let's go ahead and make this 10.5 inches, so we don't have to lift it up, even though it does have rear venting. It's the single 1 ohm. It's a 80 millimeter tall copper coil. The FS is 24 hertz, so this is the monster SQ woofer, the way that I built it. Yeah, really good response down to 24 hertz. QTS is 0.5, so you can do sealed or ported. And then VAS is only 1.1, let's say 1.2 cubic feet after it stretches out the butthole a little bit. So, and this is for Pat, who had the GONZO, I'll put a link to it in the description. It's the GONZO Mini Cooper, the red one. So, and thanks to Joshua out in California, we have a few of these motors now. So if you want me to build you a top assembly, I can. If you want me to build you a whole thing, I can. You may have to wait about a month, but because we're almost done about getting caught up. So, but for these big ones, I actually don't mind doing it because they're actually pretty easy. We could use the funds to help pay for the coils. The coils are quite expensive, and so the vendor that I got these from, they want, I think, too much for them. So, because we may go back to PE and ask if they would do some. I don't know. Maybe my buddy in Mexico will do them. So he does copper coils. I don't even think he does aluminum. But yeah, that may work out for us. So I will give him a ring-a-ding, and then we'll see if we can get some. The T2 coils come in single 1 ohm and also single 2 ohm. Just because that's, again, there was a few options, but the old ones that we made were aluminum, and they were D1, and I think it was only 60 millimeter wine height. So with the T2, it's a I don't think it's actually a deeper motor. I think originally it was triple 1-inch, which is what the regular T2 did, the silver face and then the black face version. So I don't think it's actually extra deeper, but obviously you can get more excursion, and it keeps more coil in the gap. So, because 60 millimeter would definitely leave the gap with a mega roll. So, but that's how it is. Let me give you a zoom on the specs, and that's for the 12-inch. So, like I said, the top assemblies, the price varies. Typically, it's the regular top assembly price, which I think for the 4-inch coil on the 12-inch, they're going to be around $400 with the adapter, so $300 without the adapter. If you want to like drill and tap your own, I don't recommend that, but and then so $400 with the adapter, and then $450 for the 15, and then $500 for the 18, and then it jumps to $850 for the 21-inch, and then we will do $1,000 even for the 24-inch if you want to do that as a 24-inch. So all of them are bolted down. All of them come with a 3-year warranty against defects. They're available in single 1 ohm or single 2 ohm. This one's up next. I got this one over in Phoenix. So like a little, it feels like a real aluminum cone. I don't know, maybe it's plastic. It's cute though. Oh, I almost forgot. 2 hours Right now it's 2 o'clock on a Sunday, so 4 p.m. start time on the live stream today. That's Arizona time, which I think we're on Pacific time, if I remember right. I can't remember. I know it's Mountain Standard Time is actually an hour forward, so whatever Mountain Standard Time is minus an hour, something like that, behind. Love you.